Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today I'm going to talk about understanding the banking system. I'm going to make this very simple for you to understand how the banks have used our money to build wealth over the period of time. And I'm going to show you exactly how they've been doing it and where they've been putting our money to make money. So just to get right into it, let's jump right into it, guys. So as you know, when you deposit your money in the bank and you put your money in the bank, that is called fractional reserve banking. This is a contract that you and the bank have. You see, fractional reserve banking is pretty much a banking system that requires the banks to hold only a certain portion of money that is deposited with them as a reserve. And then the banks use our deposit as customers to pretty much make new loans and award interest on the deposits that is made by their customers. So just to give you an example, what does this mean? This means that the bank take our money and they only require to hold what's known as 10% of our money within the bank, and then they could take 90% of that money to create new loans, or they go take our deposits and put them in something called a bank owned life insurance, also known as BOLI. BOLI. This is something that I want you guys to also go research it and look it up. Google the word BOLI, BOLI, and you're going to learn that BOLI is pretty much a product where the banks is pretty much the policy beneficiary and usually the owner. So such insurance is used as a tax shelter for the financial institution, which they leverage the tax-free savings provisions as a funding mechanism for employee benefits. So where did they put this money to create this avenue? They put this money inside of the insurance companies, which is known as infinite banking. So when the bank take our deposits and go put it with the insurance companies, this is known as infinite banking. Now, in return of this, the insurance company then offer what's known as the standard deposit insurance, which is the amount of $250,000, known as the FDIC insurance. So the FDI insurance, what it does is that it protects every depositor that has money in the bank and then make sure that they have a $250,000 insurance on their account. But what if you have $1 million in the bank? What if you have $1 million in the bank? Well, how would that work out for you? Well, what if the bank go bankrupt? If the bank go bankrupt, you're only insured for 250,000, which means that you lose $750,000. That's the reason why we're teaching you why you need to cut out the middleman. The bank is just a middleman. So by you cutting out the bank and you go directly to the source, this is where you learn how to start leveraging and start being your own bank. Because that's why we're here to teach you how to get better interest than the banks and basically work directly with the insurance companies so that way you could get the growth where you could get the compounding interest. You could get the safety where it could guarantee you to never lose your money. You could get the protection, which means that you get all the living benefits for chronic, critical, or terminal illnesses. And you also get all the tax advantages, which means that you get the tax-free distribution and the growth upon your money where you pay no capital gains tax. So if you're still in disbelief that this is how it works, I want to introduce you to our website. And this website is where you can see exactly where the bank's been putting our money for all these time. All you have to go to is usbanklocations.com. Once again, the website you go to is usbanklocations.com. Once you go to that website, I want you to follow this instruction to find out the truth. All you have to do is go underneath the tab where it says tools. Once you click on tools, all you have to do is click on bank rankings. Click on bank rankings, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says assets and liabilities. You're going to look for assets and liabilities, and then you're going to look for the word life insurance assets. So when you scroll down, you will find the word life insurance assets, and that's where you're going to click on that word, and it's going to identify all of the banks that use the BOLI system to create a tax-free cash flowing mechanism for their industry. Guys, this is a well-kept secret, and we want to bring that to your attention. So once again, you come underneath where it says assets and liability right here. You're going to look for life insurance assets. Once you click on life insurance assets, like here, it's going to identify all the banks that's been using this. And guys, as you can see, this is the following rankings of all the banks in the United States. in the term of life insurance assets, right? These are all the banks that have life insurance, and this is a comparison. As you can see, these are some of the top 10 banks that has the most asset holding as far as money inside of life insurance. And this is why we want you guys to learn how to be your own bank. So if you want to continue to learn these things, see if you qualify, and do not wait, because the bank's been doing this for years. And this is why we want to continue empowering you so you know how to be your own bank. And that's why you want to learn and continue to position yourself and your family. So always remember, guys, you are one decision away from changing your future for the better. So always remember that the choice is always yours. Hey, be your own bank. I'll see you at the top.